Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to speed up in your computer or laptop download speed. So let's take a look how to do that. In this tutorial I am going to share with you by 3 steps to increase your download speed. First of all, I am going to change my DNS IP address, and then second one I am going to change the local edit privacy, and the third one I'm going to run a command prompt. So let's see how you can do all this step. First of all, I'm going to click this network option and right click over there, and I'm going to click on properties. HQNil apply. Here I'm going to click this change adapter setting, and then you will see all the Ethernet connected in your computer. Right now there is a 1 Ethernet in my computer, so I'm going to right click over there, and then you have to click on properties, and then you will see Ethernet properties will appear here. Here you have to click this Ethernet protocol version 4. Just simply double click over there, and then you will see new HQNil apply. Here you have to choose this, use the following DNS server address. Simply click over there and type here the preferred DNS server. Type here 1, then 1, then 1, then 1, and here alternate DNS server. Type here 1, 0, 0, 1, and then click on OK, and then click on OK. The second step is go on your search account and type here edit, and you will find here edit group policy. Simply click over there, and then you will see a new screen will appear which is called local group policy editor. I am going to make it large. In here in the left side you will see computer configuration. Here you will find the administrative template folder. Simply click over there, and then in the right side there will be a pair option. There will be a menu folder which is you have to click on this network folder. Simply double click that, and then you will see a new screen appear. Here you have to click this QoS package scheduler. Simply double click there, and then you will see there will be another folder. Here you have to click this limit reserve bandwidth. Simply double click there, and then you will find a option will appear. Here you have to click this enable, and the bandwidth limit make it 0, and then click on apply, and then click on OK and close this. And the third is you have to go again on search. Here type on CMD, and you will find command prompt. Simply right click over there and click on run as administrator. Here a warning message will appear maybe, then click on yes, and here you have to type this code. I will put this code in my video description. You just simply type this command prompt and then hit enter. Wait 5 seconds and close this, and I hope from now your download speed will be increased. It will give you better than before. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one.